Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with somebody who was organizing dog fights. Let's see here. I organized dog fights with bets. On one occasion, one of the attendees was an undercover police officer and I was arrested. Yeah, this is a felony under Penal Code Section 597.5, carries up to 3 years state prison. Yeah, you can't have dogs where you're training them to fight, have them fight, and betting on that. You can't do that. It's a really serious crime here, and it's also considered a crime of moral turpitude, which means that if you were not a U.S. citizen, this is something that could result in deportation, exclusion from the United States, and denial of naturalization. It's in this situation, the problem is that when you have so many people there, and keep in mind, simply being a spectator would be the basis for them charging you with that same offense based on conspiracy. But that really creates a horrible situation because, number one, you're going to have the undercover cop who would have recorded as many things as possible when he would have gotten his hands on as much evidence as possible being there as a helper. But then on top of it, they'll pick up a few of those other people who are there as spectators who may have known you. And look, if you're the ringleader guy, if you're the main guy doing this, those people are going to get some proffer interviews. In other words, the DA is going to look, hey, look, buddy, under conspiracy theory, you could be charged also with the 597.5. However, if you're willing to squeal, if you're willing to turn state's evidence and go against so-and-so, we'll give you less time, or we'll just flat out dismiss your case, depending on the value of what you give us. You see what I'm saying? So all of a sudden you have all those people there, or a good chunk of those people, turning on each other. And like I said, these types of cases, really, especially with the undercover cop situation, it's going to be very, very difficult to take it to jury trial and win. A case like this, I'm like 95% certain that you would have to have a conversation. Well, your attorney is going to have a conversation with the DA, say, hey, look, buddy, he has a clean record, he's never really had problems with the law, this is the situation, because of money, because of the coronavirus, he decided to do this, whatever it is, but to try to see what can be done to avoid a state prison sentence. Maybe focusing on some fines, community service. Maybe you would have to do something where he'd be helping in dog pounds or providing service to animals, just something like that, in order to avoid a serious punishment and basically go along with your life. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos. But if you've been accused of a crime and need representation in court here in the San Francisco Bay Area, call us now for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of somebody who was doing a little vandalism, but he had mental health problems. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers, criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.